Hey guys, it's Kevin here. Welcome to my channel. As if you're new here, I review all kinds of products, so please do check out my other videos and hit that subscribe and like button. Today, I'm here to talk to you about a pair of earbuds. It's by a company called Amorno. This is the box it comes in. Pretty easy, pretty stylish. I've reviewed one of their over the neck earbuds. So these are in the ear earbuds. So it comes in this box, and I'll show you everything that they come with. So once you open the box, you get the main case, and we'll get into this in a minute. You get the manual in case you have any questions. It's in English and Chinese. You get a little warranty card, a USB charging cable. This is how you charge the case, which then in turn charges the earbuds. And then in this bag, you get other sized earbuds. So if the size that's on them doesn't fit, you get some more options here. So let's get into the product because that's really what you guys want to know about. So they, in this case, you have, it's a nice, kind of rose gold case. They also have a black one, I believe. So here are the two earbuds. You got a power button in the middle. To charge it, you just kind of press that button, close the case, and then this is where, in the back here, the USB plugs in. When the case is fully charged, you get about 24 hours of use of the headphones. So then you pop these guys out. Here's what they look like. Case empty, and you got a left and right earbud. Either one can answer a phone call. You hold down to power it on, and then you press it twice to get it into peering mode. If you press this one and then start to peer it, this one will automatically connect. So it was very easy to set up, very easy to peer. No, I had no issues there. The rubber here, the silicone, is made of medical grade. These headphones are built with a DSP noise cancellation technology. So they basically help with, if you're like on an airplane, that they drown out those low hums. They're not as good as like if you're expecting a over the ears, like Bose type noise canceling headsets. They're not on that level, but they do a very decent job, especially because they're a nice snug fit, which I'll get here to in a minute. They come with 5.0 Bluetooth, and they have obviously a built-in microphone for phone calls if you want to answer calls with them. Other features they have, it's an IPX4 water resistance, so they can get wet from rain or sweat, but do not take a shower or go swimming with these things, as it will destroy them. I have noticed with continuous music, they last about 3 hours before the battery starts going dead. Now, I have not talked for 5 hours straight, but that is what they claim it'll last if you're doing talking. Now, back to the 24-hour use, it's really easy to recharge them because this is a battery. So after your 3 hours of music, you pop it in here for a little bit and it recharges them, and then you're good to go again. Now, kind of with the noise cancellation, you just kind of pop them in here and kind of twist in. They're really snug. They fit really, really well, and I think that's part of the reason they do great at the noise cancellation. However, with that said, if you don't like things in your ear, you can get uncomfortable after a while. I have not had a problem with that because I don't mind earbuds, but I know my wife didn't like them. So that's kind of the thing with you gotta find the right fit for you. The only complaint, because they are snug with them, the button here is a little tight. And so when they're in your ear, it feels like you're pushing the earbud into your ear. I wish there was like a side button instead, because I kind of have to hold it here and then press to answer a call, which is just a little inconvenient. But I don't really answer a lot of phone calls when I use them. I use these more for music. But I know a lot of users like to keep the earbuds in all day or whatnot and answer phone calls or listen to music. They can work as a set for stereo, or you can have just one in your ear if you want to use them for phone calls. So like I said, these are the Amorno TWS model. I will include a link below to Amazon, so you can check out a lot of other people's reviews, see the price point and all that kind of information, see if they're the right fit for you. If not, I have a lot of other earbuds I've reviewed. That's kind of one of the things I like. I'm addicted to that technology. So check them out. Hit me up some comments below. Like I said, I will subscribe to them, or I'll comment back if you got questions. And that's kind of it. Oh, one other thing I wanted to include, sound quality. You forgot sound quality. So they do have a great bass. I've noticed that. You really kind of hear the beating of the bass. The treble's okay. It's kind of a little bit muted, but it does have a good wide range of sound. So I was impressed with the sound quality. The sound quality is much better than the over-the-ear buds that I had, also by this brand. So that is it. Like I said, hit subscribe to my channel, and until the next video, you guys take it easy. Later. Congrats! You made it to the end of the video. I hope you liked it. Be sure to help me out and hit the subscribe button or comment below on this video. Until the next one, be sure to check out any of the other videos that I have floating around on my channel.